Hello everyone, this is Professor J. Kim. Today we're going to make really simple and easy particle effect using Adobe After Effects. Something like this. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and hit the like button. That's gonna be a big help for me to make these video tutorials. Then let's get started. Okay, first please download these two files from the link I provided in my description. The one is the mountain bike logo.png with a transparent pink file. And then the second one is the whoosh sound effect. If you want to know how to make this, the mountain bike logo in Adobe Illustrator, I made a link to the video tutorial I made in my description. So you may follow that first. Now, once you have that, go to the After Effects. We're going to create a new composition. The composition size is going to be 1920 by 1080 pixels, and the duration is going to be 5 seconds. It's going to be short and simple. Okay. All right. So first, I'm going to type something. Let me type with my type tool. Just hello. Any types, face, and then anything's okay. Let me just center it horizontally and vertically. Okay, and then hold down the control key on this and click. I'm going to choose the pre-compose. Let me name it as object holder. Object holder. And okay. All right. Then in your effect and preset panel, please type CC Scatterize. See that? CC Scatterize. So grab it, keep pressing your mouse button and drop to your object holder here. Okay, so we have this. Now, place your time indicator to a 1 second mark. You see that? Here's a 1 second. And insert the keyframe of these all three: scatter, right twist, and then left twist. Click on the stopwatch. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then rewind it back to the very beginning. On 0 second, I'm going to change the scatter amount. So place your mouse cursor on top of those numbers and move side by side. You see that? That's pretty cool. So I'm going to do something like this. Okay. And then a right twist. You can change the angle. Left twist. Even you can change the angle here too. Like a twist, like a vortex. So watch. Isn't it cool? Something like this. Okay, so you can control this. And then let me reveal this effect and the Scatterize. You see that there are the 3 keyframes here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a copy of this. So let me select these, the 3 keyframes on 1 second mark first. So let me copy, Command C, copy. Let me place my time indicator on 3 second mark there. Let me paste it, Command V. Now I'm going to select the very first 3 keyframes, copy, and 4 second mark, paste it. So watch. It's going to be hello like this. And it's disappearing. Integration and disintegration like this. Okay, but it would be even better if I can make it fading in and out. So what I'm gonna do is, let me collapse this. Let me place my time indicator on 0 second and hit the T key to change the opacity value. Insert the keyframe down to 0. Move your time indicator to 1 second mark and back to 100. Move your time indicator to the 3-second mark. I'm going to keep it there to insert the keyframe. And at 4-second mark, down to 0. So it's going to take a little time to render it. Fading in, fade out. Isn't it cool? In and out. If you want to control the speed a little bit, you can try this. Select all these 4, hold down the control or right click, keyframe assistant, and easy ease in. Okay, and then also I will do the same thing on my under my effect, Scatterize. Select all keyframes, control or right click, ease in. Okay, then we'll see. That's pretty cool. Okay, now we're done. The all effect is done. So I collapse the your layer and just double click. It's back to hello. Select the hello text, delete it, and import the file, which is the logo, mountain bike logo. Let me import the whoosh sound as well. Okay, so first, mountain bike. Just drag and drop and center it. Center, center. Okay. Now back to composition. Play. It's going to take some time to render. Okay, so watch. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Fading in and out. Scatters. Kind of a twisting. Okay, now I want to have a sound effect at the very beginning. So this whoosh at the beginning. I think that's it. I think that's too early, too fast. Let me move it to the right a little bit. Watch it again. It's good. I may have another sound. Coming in, out. Coming in. Okay, so that's it. And let me go to File. I'm going to save it first. Save as particles. And let me render it. Go to File, Add to Render Queue. I'm going to export to my particle folder. Let me name it as particles. So it's going to be saved as the MP4. Save it and render. It's done. So let me check my folder now. Yep, it's here. There we go. It's not bad. It's pretty cool, actually. Okay, so I hope that you enjoy this video tutorial, and then you can use it for your future project. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.